Welcome to Boreal News. Jatinga Bird Festival underway at Dima Hasao, with a motive to bring awareness among communities and people of the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council in collaboration with Forest Department are organizing 5-day program scheduled from 20th to 24th October at Jatinga.
Hello Haflong, Namaskar, I'm Astha Das, the finalist of Saregamapa 2019, and I'm coming to your town to perform at the Jatinga Festival, brought to you by the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council, and I hope to see you guys there because we're gonna have a beautiful evening of musical extravaganza. You can catch me live there on 23rd of October, and I hope to see you guys there. Bye-bye!
Jatinga has been famed for its supernatural event of thousands of birds flying in from all over the world in autumn and then falling to their deaths from a 700-meter ridge about 9 km from Haflong in Dima Hasao. Though years of research proved that the birds were mere victims of distraction as they were lured by the flame of torches lit by the villagers, thus naming the place as Bird Suicide Place.
Hi, this is Ridipta Sharma. I'm extremely happy to share with you all that I'm coming to Haflong Jatinga Festival on the 23rd of October, and I'm really looking forward to all of you to come and we're gonna enjoy together. Thank you.
This event aims to bring tourists which help in growing tourist economy of the places. The festival also aims to put Dima Hasao on the tourism map of Assam in particular and that of India in general by promoting tourism-related activities. As such steps to promote the places like the Blue Boreal Range, which host the highest peak of Assam, the Blue Water Resort of Umrangsu, which is also the roosting hub of migratory birds like Amur falcon, the marvelous Panimur waterfalls, also known as Mini Niagara of Assam, the twin Benda Baiglai waterfalls of Samfari Disa, the historic stone house of erstwhile Dimasa royalty at Maibang, neo-ethnic structure like stone jars, other carving and artifacts at Hojai, Dubungling and Khobak, Thuruk, the coldest place of Assam where crystal mist formed during winter, and many others.
Hello Haflong, মই বাবু বৰুৱা 23 অক্টোবৰত নৰ্থ কাছাৰ হিলছ অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলে আয়োজন কৰা জাতিংগা ফেষ্টিভেললৈ মই আহি আছোঁ। তাত লাইভ পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ কৰিম মই। তাত আপোনালোক সকলোৰে উপস্থিতি কামনা কৰিছোঁ। আশা কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোক সকলো আহিব আৰু খুব ভাল লাগিব, খুব এনজয় কৰিম।